When you search for slim rolling cabinet storage bins, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: YFX CVSL 4-tier storage bins. Let's kick things off with the YFX CVSL 4-tier plastic storage bins. Priced at $31.95, this product caught my eye because it's a bestseller. If you want a reliable storage solution that can take a beating while keeping your stuff organized, this is worth a serious look. The design is stackable and collapsible, so you can save space when they're not in use. Plus, it has wheels for easy mobility, which is a game changer when you're trying to reorganize. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The two opening methods, top lid and front door, make accessing your items super convenient. You won't have to dig through everything to find what you need, and the snap closure keeps dust out. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 7,000 reviews, people are clearly loving it. Now, some users mention that the front door can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's designed for light access. If you're storing heavy items, that might be a deal breaker, but for general storage, it holds up just fine. This is perfect for you if you need versatile storage for a living room or office. Skip this one if you plan to store heavy tools or equipment. It's a solid value for the price. Now, if the YFX CVSL's front door issue concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: CTSN SLH 4-tier storage bins. Next up is the CTSN SLH 4-tier plastic storage bins, also at $31.95. This one boasts a slightly larger capacity of 93 quarts, which caught my attention right away. If you're looking for a durable option that can hold all your essentials, keep listening. What really stands out is the high-quality PP material, which makes it much sturdier than other options. This means you can pile stuff on top without worrying about it collapsing. The translucent front lid lets you see exactly what's inside, so there's no more rummaging around. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 5,500 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate its usability. The stackable design saves space, and the wheels make it super easy to move around. Here's why this matters. You can quickly access what you need, whether it's in your bedroom or office. Some users did find the assembly process a bit tricky, but let's be real, most storage solutions require a bit of effort to set up. Once it's done, you'll appreciate the sturdy design. This is perfect for you if you want something that's built to last and easy to maneuver. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple drop-in solution without assembly. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tight spaces. Product number 3: Vivihomety Slim Storage Cart. Now we have the Vivihomety Utility Slim Storage Cart priced at $31.34. This caught my eye due to its sleek design and versatility. If you struggle with tight spaces, this one's definitely worth considering. This rolling cart is just 7.1 inches wide, making it perfect for sliding into narrow gaps between your washer and dryer or beside the fridge. It features a stylish wood top paired with metal, adding a nice touch to any room. Each shelf can hold a good amount of weight thanks to its durable construction. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 500 reviews, users are clearly impressed. The mesh shelves prevent water accumulation, making it ideal for humid environments like kitchens or bathrooms. Here's why this matters. It keeps everything organized and easily accessible without taking up too much room. However, some users mentioned it might wobble a bit when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for lighter items like spices or toiletries, it should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller space and need efficient storage solutions. Skip this one if you're looking to store heavier items. It's a stylish yet practical choice for the price. Now, if the Vivihomety's width has you intrigued, check out this next cart, which offers even more levels. Product number 4: Kaya Oxuan 6-tier rolling cart. The fourth product on my list is the Kaya Oxuan Slim Rolling Storage Cart. Priced at $59.99, it's a bit pricier, but let me explain why it could be worth it. If you need maximum storage in tight spots, this one is definitely a contender. With 6 tiers and a depth of just 6 inches, this cart is designed for narrow spaces. The metal build ensures it's stable and durable, so you won't have to worry about it sagging under weight. It also has 4 easy glide wheels, making it simple to move around. Plus, 2 of those wheels are lockable, which is super handy. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 689 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate its functionality. Now, some people found the height a bit too much for their spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have high ceilings or enough vertical space, it's actually a great option. This is perfect for you if you need a lot of storage without taking up too much floor space. Skip this one if you have limited vertical room. It's a thoughtful choice if you need that additional tier. Finally, if the Kaya Oxuan's multi-tier advantage caught your attention, prepare for our last option. Product number 5, Vivihomety Black Slim Storage Cart. Last but not least is another from Vivihomety, this time the Utility Slim Storage Cart in black, priced at $29.97. This caught my eye because it's not only functional but also stylish. If you want storage that blends with any decor, this is a solid option. Like its white counterpart, this cart fits perfectly in tight spaces at just 7.1 inches wide. It features a wooden top and black metal, creating a modern yet vintage look. The durability is impressive, and the ease of movement with its swivel casters makes it user-friendly. With a 4.6-star rating and over 1,000 units sold, it's definitely gaining popularity. Here's why this matters for you. The heightened guardrails ensure your items stay secure while you roll it around. Some people did mention that the assembly could take a little time. But honestly, most rolling carts require a bit of setup, and the end result is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional piece for your home. Skip this one if you find assembly daunting. It's a great value for the look and functionality. So those are my top picks for slim rolling cabinet storage bins. To wrap it up, we have the YFX CVSL and CTSN SLH bins for those who need solid, stackable storage. If you're tight on space, the Vivihomety and Kaya Oxuan offer great rolling solutions. Lastly, the Vivihomety Black Cart is perfect for those who want style with functionality. Whatever your need, there's a perfect option here for you.